Hello my dear students, once again I am here. This time we are going to start how to use logarithm, how to use log table. Okay, this we are going to learn in this of our video. But before that we will have to learn the standard form of the number. This you have already learned in previous of your classes. So what is the standard form? For example, if we are having a number 1234.5, so the standard form of it will contain just one digit before the decimal. It cannot have many digits before the decimal. So the standard form of it will be 1.2345 into. Now decimal has been shifted 1, 2, 3, 3 places left. So whenever the decimal will be shifted left side, we will get positive power of 10. So it will be 10 to the power 3. So all those numbers which are having many digits before decimal will be written like this. 678.5 will be written as 6.785 into 10 to the power 2, since decimal has been shifted 2 place right side. If there is a very large number 6, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then this will be written as 6.23 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Decimal has been shifted 8 places, so it will be written as 10 to the power 8. So this is known as standard form. Similarly, we can have the negative power of 10. For example, 0.123123. So it will be written as 1.23 into 10 to the power 1234 negative. Similarly, if there is a large number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, it will be written as 7.89 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 negative 7. So this way, these are the standard form. Sometime he may ask you to write a number from the standard form. So if we are having 1.123 into 10 to the power 5, so in normal form, inside it will be decimal will be shifted right side. Or what I want to tell you, 1.123 10 to the power 5 means there will be 5 zeros. So decimal will be shifted 5 places. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly, you can see, have a look at one more time. 5.67 into 10 to the power 3. So decimal will be shifted 3 places. 5.67 into 1000, that is 5670. In the case of negative, for example, we are having this 1.23 into 10 to the power minus 4. So 1.23 upon 10 to the power 4, it will become 1.1023 into 10 to the power 4 upon 10 to the power 4. Or you can say 1.23 upon 10,000, and then it will be converted into 0.00123. So this is all about standard form, and from standard form only we will switch towards the log table. Okay, because when a number is there in the standard form, thereafter we will see its log. Okay, so we will start from there only. If this is x and we want to find the log of it, so the topic will be changed. The topic is now use of log table. Quite an important thing. You will use it at various stages. Even in statistics you can use it. Use of log table we are studying. So if we will take log of it, it will become log x is equals to log 1.2345 plus log 10 to the power 3. So log 1.2345 plus 3 log 10, and the value of log 10 will be 3. So 3 plus log 1.2345. So this way you will get a integral part and a decimal part. By this portion you will get the integral part, and this will be a decimal part. So integral part is known as characteristic. Integral part is known as characteristic, and the decimal part is known as mantissa. This is called characteristic, and this is called the value of it is called mantissa, which we will get from the log table. Okay, so characteristic can be positive, negative, or even 0. Characteristic can be positive, negative, or it can be 0. But mantissa will always be positive only. Well, mantissa can never be negative. And if it is negative, we will have to make it positive. Unless mantissa is not positive, we cannot get the value of antilog. Okay, so now first of all we will learn how to calculate characteristic. What is the rule to calculate the characteristic, and then we will learn to calculate the mantissa. For characteristic, there are two rules. The first one, if the number is greater than or equal to 1. The number of digits are greater than or equals to 1. Then how you will get the characteristic? Characteristic will be calculate number of digits before decimal minus 1. Number of digits before decimal minus 1. Before decimal means left side of decimal. Okay, and the second is if the number is smaller than 1. So if it is smaller than 1, then how you will get the characteristic? In that case, characteristic is going to be negative, and number of zeros between decimal and first non-zero digit plus 1. Number of zeros between decimal and the first non-zero digit plus 1. So this way we will get the characteristic. Let's have few example see how we will calculate the characteristics. So I'm very sure it is clear that how to calculate characteristic. If the number is greater than 1 or equals to 1, simply subtract 1 from all those numbers which are before the decimal. That will be characteristic. And if it is smaller than 1, then you will simply calculate the number of zeros where between after the decimal and between the first non-zero digit, and that will be added with 1. उसमें 1 ऐड करके हमें कैरेक्टरिस्टिक मिल जाएगा. चलिए जी, तो सबसे पहले कैरेक्टरिस्टिक निकालने की प्रैक्टिस करते हैं कि ये हमारा नंबर और यहाँ हमारा कैरेक्टरिस्टिक. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If there are 5 digits like this and there is no decimal, so 5 minus 1, as I told you by the first rule. If 1, 2, 3.45, now I will look for all those digits which are there before the decimal. So 123, that is 3. So 3 minus 1, the characteristic will be 2. Now, if it is 1.2345, then there is only one digit before the decimal. So 1 minus 1, the characteristic will be 0. So in all these cases, the characteristic is positive. Now, when it will be negative? 0.123. So what you can see that now there is no digits before the decimal, no zeros before non-zero digit and decimal. So 0 plus 1, so it is 1 bar, or you can say negative 0.0123. Now the number of 0 is 1, so 1 plus 1, that is 2 bar or negative 2. 0.000123. So 3 zeros are there. 3 plus 1, 3 bar. Sorry, 3 plus 1 is 4. So 4 bar or negative 4. This way you will calculate the characteristic. I am very sure finding characteristic is clear to you. Now let us come to Mantissa. How we will calculate the Mantissa? For calculating Mantissa, first of all we will have to look for the significant digits. And for watching those significant digits, you will have to look for this log table. Or this log table, on the very first page you will see the log table, and the same log table is available in your part number 2 on the second last page. Here is the log table. You can see that in this log table the numbers written are 10 to 99. 10 to 99. And on the top of that there are 10 columns. On the top of that is written 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And thereafter it is written as main difference. Main difference is, again there are 9 columns. Now how you are going to use it, that I am going to tell you. So for calculating Mantissa, our number should be between 10 to 99. If it is less than 10, then what will be? So first of all, if I am having a number 2.185, so to watch its value in log table, the significant number will be 2185. If we are having a number 7 only, and if we want to watch its value, so we will watch the value of 70. If we are having 0.5, once again we will watch the value of 50. If we are having 0.0512, so we will watch the value of 512. So the significant digits are like this. This way we will get our significant digits, and we will use the value of, we will find the value of these only from the table. Now how we will watch? For this, characteristic is okay. What you have done in characteristic, that will come before the decimal. For example, the characteristic of this is 1 minus 1, 0. So 0 point. The characteristic of this is 1 minus 1, 0 point. The characteristic of this will be 1 bar, because this is not having any 0 before 5. There is 1 0, so the characteristic of this will be 2 bar. So this way we will get the number before the decimal. Now whatsoever number I am going to get from this log table, that will come after decimal, and that is known as Mantissa. So for 2185, how I will go? I am using this table because that one is quite heavy. Book is heavy, so holding it in a hand is unnecessarily creating a trouble. So first of all, I will look for the row of 21. Here I am having the row of 21. In this row of 21, I will go for the 9th column, because on the top of the 9th column 8 is written. 2 1 वाली row, 8th का column 3385. I got 3385, and then it is 5. तो 5 का mean difference वाली column, 5 का mean difference वाला column मुझे बता रहा है 10. So 3385 में 10 ऐसे ऐड करके it will become 3395, and that will be my value of 2.185. The value of 2.185 will be 0.395. Now let's come to second. The second one is telling me 7 की log value. So 7 is not there, so I will look 70 in 0. I will look 70, row of 70 in 0, that is 8451. 0.8451 will be the value of log 7. Okay, these are the value of log 2.185. This is the value of log 7. Now I am looking for the value of log 0.5. तो 1 बार, और once again I am going to do the same thing. 50 को 0 में, 50 वाली रो 0 में मैं देख रहा हूँ, 0 का कॉलम 6990, you can see it, 0.1 bar 6990. Now 51.2, sorry, for 0.0512, so due to this 0, 2 bar is the characteristic, and for Mantissa you will look for 51 and the column of 2. The column of 2 will be the third one, because the first column is for 0, second is for 1, third is for 2. 51 का 2, 7093. So 2.7093. So this way we will know how to watch the how to find the value of log in the given question. Let me tell you one thing, that if we are having the value of log 2.185 as, so what is this? This is the value of log 2.185 as 0.3395. So you will be surprised to know that the value of 21.85 will also remain 3395. The only thing change will be the characteristic. Mantissa is going to remain same. So since the digits are 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. So the characteristic will be 1 and Mantissa will remain same. So Mantissa of the digit is always same. Characteristic will be keep changing, and in that it will be 2.3395. Similarly 21850 will also have the same value, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So characteristic will be 4.3395, and even log 0.0002185. Now also it is going to remain same, 3395. But Mantissa will be, characteristic will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 bar 0.33895. I'm sure it is clear to you that log will be a combination of characteristic and Mantissa. How to calculate characteristic? If it is more than 1, simply 1 subtract from the number of digits, that will be the characteristic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 में से बन गया 4. Similarly, if I want to calculate Mantissa, this -1, if it is less than 1, then I will calculate the number of zeros. The number of zeros between decimal and the first non-zero digits. So if it is 3, 3 minus 1, 3 plus 1 will be 4, and 4 bar will be this. Now here 4 bar per 0.3395 means what? It doesn't mean negative 4.3395. 4 bar 0.3395 doesn't mean negative 4.3395. It means negative 4 and 0.3395. 3395 is positive here. So this way it is very much important to understand that there is a difference between these two. This and this are not same. So I'm very sure it is clear to you. I'm telling you few more examples, and with that watching log table will be easier for you. Anti-log is simply the opposite of log, and most of the things are opposite in that. That's why I will explain you that in tomorrow's live class. So right now we will discuss only and only log, and thereafter we will discuss anti-log in tomorrow's class. So log 5395. Log 5395. 4 digits, So characteristic is 3. अब क्या करना है, 53 का रो पकड़िए, ये हमने 53 का रो पकड़ा। 9 का कॉलम, 9 के कॉलम में आ रहा है 7316 और 7316 में मुझे ऐड करना है 5 का मीन डिफरेंस इज 4, तो 7316 में मैं जब 4 ऐड कर रहा हूं तो आ रहा है 7320। This way I will find out the value of log. Let me find out few more value. 53498. 53498. So this fifth digit is useless for me. I can have only and only 4 digits log in my table, through my table. So 53498 और 53490 दोनों का log सेम ही रहने वाला है। 1 2 3 4 5 5 minus 1 that is 4. So characteristic is 4. अब क्या करूं, 53 की रो, 1 4 का कॉलम, 1 2 3 4 5, 4 का कॉलम है 7275 और 7275 में मीन डिफरेंस मुझे ऐड करना है 7282. तो 7282. The value of 534982 is 49 is 7282. Why there is a difference of 1? 53 1 2 3 4 5 and that's, yes, it is 82 only. Now let me tell you few negative one. 0.0074. So the characteristic in it is 3 bar, and I will look for 74 in 0. The row of 74 in 0 is 8692. So it is 8692. Yes. Similarly, let me take one more example. 0.000123. So due to these 3 zeros, characteristic will be 4 bar. Now look for the row of 12. In the row of 12, look for the column of 3 and add the mean difference of 4. The column is telling me 899 and the mean difference is 14, so 913, but 0 is added, 913. Already 1 0 was there, so this way we will use the log table. Till tomorrow you practice the use of log table, and once you are perfect enough in finding the log, then we will look for anti-log in our live class tomorrow. Take care, complete your work.